You want Zendesk to automatically add an account manager as a follower based on their organization. Sounds simple, but there's a catch most admins don't see coming. Zendesk's add follower action only lets you pick specific static users. You cannot reference a custom field value to select who gets added. So 50 organizations means 50 separate triggers, and one staff change breaks them all. Before you start, you need a Zendesk suite or support plan at team level or higher, plus admin permissions to create triggers and webhooks. Make sure the CCs and followers feature is enabled in your admin center settings. Here is exactly what you are working around. The add follower action presents a drop-down of specific users. There is no placeholder field, no dynamic option, just a static selection that cannot read custom field values. Method 1 is the simplest. Create one trigger per organization with a hard-coded follower. No API tokens, no webhooks, just straightforward trigger logic. This works well for small teams, but hits a wall fast when you have more than 20 organizations. Go to Admin Center, open Business Rules, then Triggers. Create a trigger with 2 conditions. Ticket is created, and organization is set to a specific org. Add the add follower action, select the agent, save, and repeat for each organization. For teams with 20 or more organizations, the webhook approach is the way to go. You store follower email addresses directly in an organization custom field, and a trigger calls the Zendesk API to add them dynamically when a ticket is created. First, create a regex organization field with the key autofollow to store comma-separated agent emails. Then generate a Zendesk API token in Admin Center under Apps and Integrations. Copy that token immediately. You cannot view it again. Create a webhook pointing to your Zendesk ticket API endpoint using PUT method and basic auth. Then build a trigger that fires when the autofollow field is present, using liquid markup in the JSON body to pass the email addresses. Always test in your sandbox first. Watch for 3 common issues: 409 conflicts from concurrent webhook updates, silent failures when email addresses don't match real users, and webhook timeouts if your instance runs slow. One more thing, followers are notified on the next comment, not when they are added. If managing JSON and liquid markup isn't your thing, eesel AI handles this without any code. You write rules in plain English like add the enterprise account manager for organizations with over 500 employees, and eesel AI takes care of the rest, including retries and error handling. Here is the quick decision guide. Under 20 organizations, use individual triggers. Between 20 and 50, the webhook method scales well if you have a technical admin. For 50 or more organizations, or if your routing logic is complex, eesel AI is the practical choice. Stop manually routing followers and start getting the right people on every ticket automatically. Try eesel AI free at eesel.ai, no credit card required.